Welcome back. Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to get access to the Claude Fable 5 AI model for free. First, go to Google and search for GitLab. Click on the first link and then select the Get Free Trial button at the top right. Fill in your details: first name, last name, and a unique username. Enter your Gmail address, create a strong password, and complete the reCAPTCHA to continue. Now, check your Gmail inbox. You will receive a 6-digit verification code from GitLab. Copy that code, go back to the GitLab tab, and paste it to verify your account. At this point, GitLab requires identity verification via phone or card. As you can see in the video, I am using my existing verified account to move forward. Once verified, set up your profile. Select your role as developer, choose Just Me for usage, and select your country. Give your group and project a quick name like SWU project and click Continue. Now you are on the GitLab dashboard. Navigate to your newly created project. This is where we will activate the AI features. Look for the GitLab Duo chat icon, the speech bubble, in the top right corner. Click on it to open the chat interface. Now, click on the Model Selection menu, scroll down, and select Claude Fable 5 Anthropic. You can now start chatting with this powerful AI model for free. Let's test it by typing, "Hi, you are Fable." As you can see, the AI responds immediately. That's it for today's tutorial. If this was helpful, please subscribe to Swap Service Tech for more exclusive tech tips. See you in the next video.